Established in 1998 with 25 years of export experience and export to 128 countries, Xiamen Globe Machine Company Limited has been specializing in heavy-duty machinery, spare parts for excavator, bulldozer, loader, agricultural machinery, and forestry machine. Our products are renowned for their superior quality and conformity to world standards, and have achieved a number of international certifications and honors. We have an experienced and high-quality team that can meet the diverse needs of customers and provide efficient pre-sales, sales, and after-sales services worldwide. We always adhere to the principle of quality first, customer first, to provide customers the most comprehensive product solutions. Our cooperated factory is one of the top quality undercarriage parts manufacturers in China, whose annual producing capability is over 1 million. The factory covers an area of 7,000 square meters and has 60 employees. Our main products are track cylinder, track adjuster assembly, track roller, carrier roller, sprocket, idler, track chain and hydraulic track link press machine. We also produce OEM products and semi-finished products for the world's renowned brands. We are committed to supply the most cost-effective Chinese construction machinery spare parts to customers all over the world. It is our dream to create one-stop shopping for all the undercarriage parts. If you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss about customer order, please feel free to contact us.